Morning guys, Simon here again at Unity Beach, Bristol, Somerset. I want to show you this one on plot, nice quiet enclosed plot. This one is 2018, it is an ABI summer breeze. Decking will stay on the plot, nice ramp access, should you have push chairs or have a requirement for wheelchair access. Let's get ourselves in here. Centrally heated, double glazed, very good condition here for a 2018. 36 by 12, centrally heated and double glazed. Every room will have a radiator. There is our focal point fireplace there. Nice, spacious, wraparound sofa. Pull out bed underneath there. There we are. And a dining area. And our kitchen. There we go. Loads of prep space. There we are, lots going on. So site fees included for this year. This one on the market at 36,995. We'll take you down through the van. There's the bathroom, main bathroom, shower. There we are, and storage. Into bedroom number 1, which is our first of 2. This is a twin. And again, storage available. And into the master. Really good size, the master. There we go. Vanity area. There's our ensuite. And around the van, look, 4-door wardrobes. Loads of space here. So as I'm sure you can tell, it's a little bit wet today down here in Breen Sands. Sun doesn't always shine, much as we'd love it to. But this is the reality of UK life. So when it does get a little bit wet, it's nice to know that you can come somewhere like this, stay warm, dry, comfortable and cozy, and still enjoy your holidays. So the facilities on park are second to none in the southwest and probably reaching it even further afield. Big pool complex, lots of entertainment going on across 2 venues. All the facilities you could need. Golf course even, country club. Full fun fair on site. So look guys, give me a call, 07973 620 351. Talk about this van and the availability of it. But this would be a perfect solution for anyone that wants to just turn up with their luggage and move straight in. We can make this happen for you. Dead easy. 36,995, including site fees for this year. Let's make it happen, guys. 07973 620 351. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. You have a great Easter weekend, whatever you're choosing to do. Hopefully the sun shines where you are. And we'll be in touch very, very soon, guys. Take care of yourself. Bye-bye.